So now that we've created our new account, there's just some housekeeping items that we should take care of first. The screen that you see here is going to be your home screen. This is the screen you're going to see every time you log in. No matter where you navigate to within the PHR, if you select the home button, you'll always come back to this screen. So if you look at the top here, this is the logout button. This is your notifications, which we'll get into in another video. And here's your settings. And you can see it says Johnny Connect, which was the username. We're going to want that most likely to be our actual name. So I'm going to show you how you can edit that and add in your name. So if you go over here, you notice you'll be able to access settings here and settings over there. And you can access your profile. So we're going to access our profile right now. And here's where we can just enter our information. You can upload a photo if you want. You don't have to. And of course that's a picture of me. And now to get to, you'll see there's nothing in here. It's because of the country code. You got to put the country in first. So if you just select Canada, then the provinces will populate up here. You can select Ontario or your province. And then your birthday, which I'm just going to say yes. And your phone number. And then you just press save. And see at the bottom down here, it lets you know that your change has been saved. And you would just do the same thing for the other two items that are here. And now I'm going to go back home. And so you'll see that there's been some activity. That's just for security, so you know what are the last functions that you've performed within your PHR. It'll also let you know if anyone else has done anything. And that's the purpose of the recent activity, to show you who's doing what to your account. This becomes really important later on when you're adding connections and stuff like that. But for now, you can also access the activity log here, and you can see everything that has ever been done. So, and we'll go back home. And then the settings, since I mentioned it, we'll go to see it. This is if you ever need to change your password, you can change your password here. And then here you see you have agreed to the terms. You're never going to really want to say no, because again, you won't be able to access the PHR without that. So you will have to accept it after logging in again. So, and then the organizations and tokens, we'll talk about that later. And that's it. So those are the basic house cleaning items that I want to talk about. And now we're done this portion.